Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you, support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for sharing this content as well and liking the videos. Thank you. So right now, Vechain, it's holding this support to 0618, and that node I gave you, look, the big node, the big support node, just there. Look at that whopping node. It's bounced off it like that, like a boss. Okay, so you've got this resistance above, that resistance as well. But I would imagine when you start to get through that, start to come back up the stairs here, you're going to plain sail into this eye, and you know you're looking at price discovery eventually meeting this technical target up here at 35 cents. So you know from here right now, providing we get the continuation, you are looking at a potential upside of around about 206% at the moment, you know, in this technical break, in this huge horizontal that you've broken out of, an ascending triangle, and essentially big huge cup and handle, you know, continuation, higher highs, higher lows, find support and up it goes basically. So what we're looking for is some kind of reversal pattern to form on the daily time frame, but as you zoom in you might start to see them forming on the lower time frame. So let's take a look on the hour right here and see what we can see. Okay, so we need to see progression. So right now what we've got on the cards here, so on the hourly it looks as though we've got some kind of ascending triangle just here, okay, that we're broken out of and we're falling back to as support for Vechain. Okay, it's a reversal pattern basically. So look, you come down, boom 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 boom, W bottom pattern basically, an ascending triangle, you're running out of selling pressure, making high lows basically, and a level of resistance like that. And once you break out, come back to support, which is what you're doing right now, you're holding it, and with that you get the continuation, you come to the technical target. So what's the technical target of this break of this ascending triangle? It is from there to there, and you can see right now you are actually in the technical target, providing you can hold this support, okay, for Vechain of 0.11636943. You're actually in a technical target to this for Vechain, which will look amazing, won't it? You know, you start to see some kind of larger reversal wave pattern, sorry, on the daily time frame starting to form just there. So it's a continuation of around about 4.21% for Vechain moving forward. So it's making progress just here. It looks like potentially some kind of descending triangle pattern on the go, which is quite a negative pattern to be honest with you. Okay, but you have come up into it, so if you can get the technical break, it would be a break from there to there, which would be, you know, classed as some kind of bull pennant wherever you break out, and you would see stuff getting back above the EMAs. But if you do start to break below, then I would imagine you're going to come down again. But with that, you can see you're still creating a higher low at the moment, holding that key level support. So it'd be a low, low, you know, high, and come back up, make a higher high, and come to that support there. You know, something like this. If it does reject and you come up like this, look, you're doing something like this, and you're still making higher lows and higher highs. And with that, you know, if you start to zoom out, you start to see a larger W bottom pattern forming on the daily time frame there for Vechain. So it's all about this support at the minute. Hold this support 0.11636943, and I think you'll start to see a lovely little pump up to that particular level there. And at that point, you know, putting some kind of retracement and then continue with the trend basically and get the reversal in here for Vechain moving forward. So keep an eye on it. You need to start to see the reversal patterns on the lower time frames before you start to see them on the high time frames. Because at the minute you can't see anything. Like it's just one candle. Do you understand? So this is why you zoom in to see the pattern starting to merge. So that's basically Vechain holding this key level support just there. Now if it does start to lose that support just there, and you know Vechain can do this, it can correct quite drastically. It would look bad because you're losing this support that you've held, okay? But this is what Vechain does. It'll create a little wick down there and then come back up into the pattern. You know, it does do this. If we take a look to the left, okay, you do get a lot of wicks. Look at that wick there. You've got the wick there. You know, look at that wick there. Look at these wicks here on the way down as well. You know, you do start to see, look at that wick there, the wick there. So if there was a sort of a bit of a flash crash or one last sort of, you know, push down, then I would imagine that this 786, and I'm going to give you this level right now, would hold, and you would see a massive bounce there, and that is at 0.09762 for Vechain. So you want to see the reversal pattern starting to form, and there is one here, but for me at the moment, something that says potentially we might put in a relief rally and have a kind of flash crash is this lower low structure here. You know, Vechain does has a tendency to start to come, yay, and then puts in a lower low, and that's when it breaks out. Do you understand? It did exactly the same here when it rolled here. You know, it did something here, W bottom, start to come, yay, one last dump before the breakout. So keep an eye on this with Vechain, okay? You know how volatile it can be. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back tomorrow, another Vechain update. Bye bye.